but 6 years later, I've taken 157 holidays. I've been on 600 flights. I just landed in New Zealand about an hour ago. You know, my fulfillment comes from working with people and helping them win big in life. And that's what it's all about.
Girl, you look so gorgeous. Flew in from New Orleans. Talking about your ex-man. You try to ignore him. Now you in my city. Come and kick it with me. Spending all this time, girl, won't have you feeling iffy. Drinking and you tweaking. Hoping you don't see him. Lacing up your boots while you bring him to the weekend. Now you hit my iPhone. Telling me your mind's gone. Say you wanna slide and now you trying to come to my home. You say you want me, I know. Want you for sure, but since I've been drinking, girl, I just don't know. My ex, she be calling and blowing my phone. Thoughts they be racing, need to be alone. Oh yeah, angel on my shoulder with the devil dishing. I wish it were easy to make a decision. Shit ain't been the same, things have been so different. And I feel so ashamed, cause my old girl hit my line and she blowing up my phone.
You know, ironically, it's gonna put you in a hospital from you moving from a bit of success to you moving towards, well, I wanna retire, I wanna relax. Well, here's the deal. The next time you wanna retire, the next time you think you wanna relax, go to www.forbes.com and go look if your name is there. If your name is not there, you have nothing to celebrate, you have nothing to retire about, you have nothing to relax. Go grind, go work, and stay focused.
Never out of style, cause she rockin' all designer. But she looks so pretty, and she from my city. With me all the time, till she turn around and diss me. Told me that she's leaving, left me for no reason.